Want to learn to read? It's easy. I'll teach you. Hey, I'm Super Curious Kid. I got plus. I started reading when I was just 3. Come and read with me. Wow. Did you know there are 3 types of galaxies? Spiral, elliptical, and irregular. You can read too. Just learn with me. Today you'll learn 3 new words and make a story with them. Remember to watch to the end for a bonus word. Let's learn 3 words from the AB word family. What sound does AB make? B, b, b. And together, it makes ab. What letter is this? Do you know what letter this is? Did you just say C? That's right, it's C. Do you know the sound for C? Do you say K? You got it. It's K. K. Ab. K. Ab. K. Ab. Cab. That's your first word. You just learned to read your first word. Say it with me. Cab. Cab. Another word for cab is taxi. Do you know what letter this is? Do you say J? Good job, it's J. Do you know what sound this letter makes? Did you say J? J. Ab. J. Ab. J. Ab. J. Ab. Jab. Say it with me. J. Ab. Jab. Do you know what jab means? Do you know? Jab is like an injection, like a COVID vaccine or flu shot. Do you know what letters it is? Do you know what sound it makes? L. What sound did it make? Did you say L? Did you say L? That's right. L. Ab. L. Ab. L. Ab. Lab. That's your third new word. Lab. Say it with me. L. Ab. Lab. It is a place where scientists work and you can run tests and experiments. Are you ready for your bonus word? It has 4 letters. Do you remember what T sounds like? What sound does R make? Do you just say R? Good job, it's R. Ab. Crab. Now you learn the 4-letter word. Say it with me. Ab. Crab. A crab is like a sea creature, but with pincers. They also have a hard shell. Have you seen a crab before? Have you seen a dancing crab? Have you? Have you seen a dancing crab? Let's recap. Ab. Cap. Ab. Cap. J. Ab. Jab. J. Ab. Jab. L. Ab. Lab. L. Ab. Lab. Ab. Crab. It's story time. Let's make a story with these 4 words. The crab needed a job, so he jumped in the cab and drove to the lab. Ask your mom and dad to teach you more AB words. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe. Always stay super curious.